Tonight is Bacalhau de Consoada. It's my favorite dish and I repeat it often. De Consoada. It's very simple. Everything is boiled. Bacalhau, potatoes, onions. Then we have the cabbage. We have a special Portuguese cabbage that is just so amazing. And then we have carrots and eggs. Everything boiled. No tricks, no shortcuts. Then we chop the onions. I'm going to chop this one for a little sparkle, onions, garlic, and parsley. And this parsley is for my veggie garden. Then you drown everything with olive oil. It's not about complexity or beauty. It's about family. It's about waiting. It's about cooking together, setting the table beautifully. It's about being together. This is how Christmas begins in Portugal. Bon Natal, amor. Now let's start because in a minute everybody's arriving. Mom prefers the potatoes peeled. I don't. She'll gladly do it though. Some carrots. Now I'm adding all of the cabbage soaking here because it needs to be washed and disinfected. I'm going to stay there for 10 minutes approximately. First I'm adding the eggs. My trick is the eggs will boil. As soon as the water boils, that's when they're ready. 1 minute boil. And then you switch off. Let it rest for a few minutes. I'm going to add 8 eggs. Maybe, yeah, 8 eggs is enough. Like that. Let it go boil now, slowly so they don't break. Some people make it with hot water. I make it like this. Now we're going to go for bacalhau. So now I'm just adding hot boiling water. Now I'm going to put it into the stove to boil. First I'm going to add onions. An onion. I'm going to have 1 onion. I'm going to add carrots. 3 different pots for 3 different items. The vegetables, the fish, and the eggs. Normally the vegetables will take 10 minutes and you can check if the potato is separated nicely with a fork. So then that's when it's ready. The cod fish, I let it to reach the boiling point. When it is boiling, I switch it off and allow it to sit for 10 minutes. You drain it and it's ready. The eggs, I always allow to boil for 1 minute. Switch it off and it's ready. Now the parsley, the onion and the garlic will be chopped finely. So we will serve as little toppings for the dish. Each person will add the amount they wish on their own plate. Now you serve with love and bon appetit. Please join us for Christmas and sit around the table with us. You are invited become a Gabriela, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to give your like, and please tell me which kind of dishes you like to eat back in your house for any kind of celebrations, and which celebration do you have. Let's celebrate the light. It's the perfect timing for that. And welcome to my home. You are my guest. And that's it. Enjoy and welcome to my wonderful table. You're so welcome here. I love to have you here, guys.